Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect TradingView to Bitget. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into like your TradingView website. Here you just need to search for TradingView on your browser. If you are using the app, you can do the exact same steps. Now after you log into your TradingView account, you want to click here on brokers. Okay, so after guys you click on brokers, it's going to take you guys to this page. What you guys need to do next, I'm going to go back, sorry. Now you want to scroll down a little bit, and here you want to click on any broker. Like you can just choose, for example, Easy Market or Capital.com. Doesn't really matter what broker, you just need to click on learn more. Okay, so after guys you click on learn more, it's going to take you guys to this page. Then you want to click on trade. Okay, so after guys you click on trade, it's going to take you directly here to this page. Now you just need to close this, as you can see. Now you want to scroll here, as you can see at your you can see like multiple brokers here. You want to scroll down. Okay, just keep scrolling until you find here Bitget. Okay, I'm going to click on all brokers. Now what you guys need to do next, you just need to search for Bitget here. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so just give him a few seconds here. I'm going to search for Bitget. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. As you can see, click on Bitget here, and then you want to add here your APA key. You will get it from your Bitget account. Just go to there, and then you will be able to find this APA key. Okay, so after that guys, you want to add here your passphrase, and then you want to click on connect. Okay, so make sure you check also this. Don't remember me if you want like to do this again and again and again, but if you don't want, just click uncheck this. Okay, don't check it, don't toggle this on. Okay, just enter here your APA key and passphrase, and that's exactly what you need to do to connect your Bitget to TradingView. That's exactly how you can do. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you.